Hello, my name is Stephen Woodall. I'm getting my master's in music education at Towson University. I got my undergraduate degree in music composition, where I marched with the TUMB for 5 years, and now I just finished my second season as the graduate assistant with the TUMB as well. My drum corps experience would be one season in 2019 with the Reading Buccaneers, and I am marching again this summer with them as well. The objective of our marching technique is to be able to march in any direction on the field in the context of our show. However, our bodies will generally be directed toward the audience so that the sound can be projected there as well. Herein lies a dilemma. Our sound moves forward and our bodies move sideways. This is where the slide technique comes into play for our wind instrumentalists. The concept of a slide is actually kind of simple. Our bodies need to project forward, but only the upper half of the body has that responsibility. Similarly, our bodies need to traverse the field, but only the lower half of the body has that responsibility. The upper body needs to worry about the musical aspects of the instrument, making it the artist. The lower body needs to worry about the physical requirements of marching a show, making it the athlete. With the two parts of the body given identities, the artist and the athlete, we can separate the two responsibilities with the goal of ensuring both tasks are done successfully. There are 4 basic slides: forward left, forward right, backward left, and backward right. When working on the slides individually, you may feel an awkward sensation trying to get that first step, and that's natural. The important part is that you initiate properly, march in time and in line, and halt properly. Make sure that regardless of whichever of the 4 directions you begin marching, you push off with the stationary foot and that your center of body stays between your 2 feet. It's good practice to establish a front sideline, then march to the left or right, starting and stopping with your whole body facing the front sideline. For the left slides, your first step will be relatively easy. You simply step out with a good marching technique, but instead of moving forward, you use the appropriate technique to step to the left. The essential thing to keep in mind is that during your slides, you continue to keep your skis from clanking into each other, just like with your normal marching. Practicing your right slides may be a little bit more difficult because your left foot needs to cross over the right side of your body. Though it may be confusing or tricky at first, focus on pushing down with the stationary foot and keeping your center of body between your feet. In the forward technique, your left foot crosses in front, and in the backward technique, your left foot crosses behind. In the same fashion that you'll notice difficulty starting your slides to the right, you may also notice difficulty finishing slides to the left. Again, just focus on keeping your center of body between your feet and staying in time when you finish your marching. In theory, you are now able to march in any direction for the show you will be performing in the upcoming season. In practice, it will need exactly that, practice. But you're now equipped with the ability to traverse across the 2-dimensional plane of the football field.